Привет, my dear Eager Minds! In this lesson you will learn the ordinal numbers from 1 to 19. Let's start. Let's get acquainted with the ordinal numbers from 1 to 19. This table, consisting of 2 columns, shows us the difference between the cardinal numbers that you already know and the ordinal numbers. I'm going to read only the second column. Listen and repeat after me. Первый, второй, третий, четвертый, пятый, шестой, седьмой, восьмой, девятый, десятый. If we compare the ordinal with the cardinal numbers, we will notice that their forms have a lot in common. The exceptions are only the first 2 numbers, первый and второй. Now let's have a look at the numbers from 11 to 19. I'm going to read only the second column. Listen and repeat after me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Pay attention that the stress falls on the same syllables of the numbers from 11 to 19. As you see, to make an ordinal number from 9 to 19, you need to replace the soft sign of a cardinal number with the ending «ый». 15. 15. Exercise 1. Say an ordinal number that you see. If it's necessary, pause the video. You have 5 seconds for it. Первый. Восьмой. Четырнадцатый. Девятнадцатый. Третий. Exercise 2. Put down ordinal numbers that you hear in numerals. For example, третий. If it's necessary, pause the video. Шестнадцатый. Пятый. Седьмой. Второй. Четвертый. Тринадцатый. Now check yourself. 16. 16th. Пятый. 5th. Седьмой. 7th. Второй. 2nd. Четвертый. 4th. 13. 13th. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you won't miss my new videos. Пока!